Hello everyone. I hope you're fine. Today I am going to tell you how to make money in Germany. There are different ways to get money from Germany. Like the concept of work from home or remote work was nearly unimaginable even a decade back, and many could not imagine doing online jobs in Germany. Now it is considered the new normal, especially since the lockdown due to the global pandemic. The internet has opened up new vistas, and working online means to more long commutes, following by longer working hours. I have decided to start the UK education blog in 2018 as side hustle while working full time as a teacher. It has enabled me to know work as a blogger and online media straits for ClickDo Limited full time while living a digital normed lifestyle, and yes, I love it. Read all about my first digitally inspired summer in 2018. There's a picture. You could start a profitable career from your kitchen table, work when you want, enjoy your free time, and make an impact. You could potentially become a digital normed or digital entrepreneur even. It is easier than ever as long as you have gained some digital skills like SEO, digital marketing, or simply how to use Microsoft Office and a web browser. You can learn such easily with thousands of YouTube tutorials or the Seekhouse University where I teach a course about SEO copywriting. I will also soon release my first German course where I cover everything you need to know about WordPress global blogging. Table contents. What is the best online job in Germany? Best work from home and online jobs in Germany. Translator, blogger, data entry, online surveys, content writer, copywriter, SEO, virtual assistant, social media analytics, video gamer, final thoughts, and infographic. What is the best online job in Germany? That how can I earn money in a fast time? I have been working online from home as a copywriter and the blogger for a few years now. I have written many guides about earning money online, as you can see in the article. See Coach University Guide for the student how to make money online. 30 best remote working job you can do working from anywhere. 48 home business areas guide, and because I am a German, I have compiled some research about the German online job and work market so that you can see how easily it is to earn money online in Germany. Let me guide you through your options to inspire you if you live or intend to live in Germany, a country full of many online job opportunities. Best work from home and online jobs in Germany. The number one on the top of the working is the translator, that we can earn money from the Germany. This is the perfect job if you are well versed in English and German or any other languages in combination with Germany. Translation has become a vital task. A global trade has grown. Almost all business documents, deeds, affidavits, memorandums need translator into English for circulation among international clients. It helps if you have a diploma or a degree in the English language or target language, but it is not mandatory. Of course, without certification, you would need to prove your grasp of English or the target's language for translation in the first few bottom dollar projects. Of utmost importance in understanding that a translator translates not only words but also the spirit of the content and message a company or client wants to convey. Your web content, for example, must be more than the sum of the different content parts and reflect the sentiment of the original, but with a matching culture angle. You can listen to the interview I conducted with my close friend Alexandra Beckwick, who is Sean translator in Germany, to